This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next batch of Mini Lock Monday. So we'll just start off with this video. I thought I'd go through the locks that have been added to the list that will be used for the wheel. Starting with the Master Lock number 3. Got a Master Lock 575. These two are both Master Lock model 608s, shutter locks. This is a Brinks laminated 40mm. We got a generic brass padlock. This is a Taylor vintage padlock that I thought I'd throw in there from my vintage or antique locks. And then we've got two brass 40mm padlocks, a Yale covered aluminum padlock. We've got two of these smaller True Bolt brass padlocks. You can get them at like Menards. What's it called? Pure Roma 40mm brass padlock, and then another True Bolt but in 40mm brass padlock. And we've got a Road Pro 40mm long shackle brass padlock. And then we get to the Abus. What is this? Abus 5530 brass padlock, an Abus 69 SL40 covered aluminum padlock, an Abus 7540 EC75 brass dimple padlock. Then we got an Abus 80 TI40 titanium padlock, and then an Abus 7530 EC75 brass dimple padlock. And that makes up the 20 padlocks that I'll be adding to the wheel, and we'll be letting the wheel choose which lock I pick each week. So here we go. All right, I've added the 20 locks to the wheel. Let's give it a spin and see what I'm picking today. Here we go. Looks like it's going to be the number 15 Road Pro 40mm long shackle brass padlock. So here we go. All right, here we go. Go. Now I want to point out this is what appears to be a very cheap Chinesium lock, and in this case I'm gonna use a worm on this just to show you that it's actually easier, and a good reason to learn how to rake. It's actually easier to open this lock by just raking it. So anyways, that's the Road Pro.